study smart, because the world understands those who speak well.
Ready to practice your English? Here's how to get the most out of this video. Step 1. Find a quiet place and focus. Step 2. Watch the sentence, listen carefully. Step 3. Repeat out loud with confidence. The video if you want more practice. The more you repeat, the better your English gets. Let's do it together. Let's begin. I brush my teeth twice a day. I call my friends every day. I clean my room on Saturdays. I cook breakfast for my family. I cook dinner every night. I drink coffee. I drive to work. I enjoy listening to podcasts. I go to the gym in the morning. I help my friends with homework. I learn new words every day. I like to eat. I like to work. I listen to music every morning. I love to read English books. I play soccer. I practice English every day. I read books on the weekend. I run in the park every morning. I shop for groceries on Sundays. I sing songs in English. I sleep early on weekdays. I study English. I study hard for my exams. I swim in the summer. I talk to my family every evening. I walk to school. I want to travel. I watch TV at night. I write emails to my teacher. She. She calls her mom every day. She cleans her house every weekend. She cooks healthy meals. She cooks pasta on Sundays. She drinks tea in the afternoon. She drives to work every day. She eats vegetables every day. She goes to bed at 10 p.m. She helps her classmates. She learns new languages. She likes to dance. She likes to eat. She listens to pop music. She plays the piano. She practices yoga every morning. She reads books at night. She shops at the mall. She sings in the choir. She speaks English very well. She studies English. She studies every afternoon. She takes pictures of nature. She travels to different countries. She visits her grandmother on Sundays. She wakes up early. She walks to school. She wants to travel. She watches movies on Netflix. She wears beautiful dresses. She works in a big office. He calls his parents every day. He cleans his car on weekends. He cooks breakfast for his family. He cooks dinner for his parents. He drinks coffee every morning. He drinks water after running. He drives a red car. He eats lunch with his friends. He goes to the gym at night. He helps his neighbors. He learns new skills online. He likes to eat pizza. He listens to music in the car. He plays soccer every Saturday. He plays video games at night. He practices basketball after school. He reads the newspaper every morning. He runs 3 times a week. He shops for new clothes. He sings at parties. He sleeps 8 hours every night. He speaks Spanish and English. He studies hard for his exams. He studies math at school. He travels to new cities. He wakes up early for work. He watches TV after dinner. He watches cartoons on Saturday mornings. He works in a hospital. He writes letters to his friends. *We. We brush our teeth after meals. We call our parents every weekend. We clean our house together. We cook dinner for friends. We cook lunch on Sundays. We drink coffee in the morning. We drive to the beach on holidays. We eat breakfast at 8 a.m. We eat pizza on Fridays. We enjoy traveling abroad. We go to the gym every evening. We help our teachers at school. We like to travel. We listen to music after work. We love to read English books. We play soccer at the park. We practice English every day. We read books at the library. We run every morning. We shop for clothes online. We sing songs in English class. We sleep early during the week. We study English together. We study for exams together. We study hard for success. We swim in the pool in summer. We talk about our dreams. We walk in the park every Sunday. We watch movies on weekends. We write stories for fun. It's just that they brush their teeth every morning. They call their friends often. They clean their rooms together. They cook pasta every Friday. They cook together on weekends. They drink juice at breakfast. They drive to school. They eat lunch at noon. They enjoy watching movies. They go to the park every day. They help their parents at home. They learn new things online. They like to eat ice cream. They listen to English songs. They love to play soccer. They play basketball. They read a lot of books. They run races at school. They shop at the supermarket. They sing in the choir. They sleep late on weekends. They speak 3 languages. They study English online. They study for exams in groups. They swim in the ocean. They talk during lunch. They walk home after school. They want to travel to New York. They watch TV shows at night. They write in their notebooks. Asterisk it. It is a beautiful flower. It is a big city. It is a book. It is a cat. It is a dog. It is a game. It is a good movie. It is a long road. It is a new phone. It is a nice day. It is a problem. It is a small house. It is a surprise. It is a test. It is cold today. It is dangerous. It is delicious. It is expensive. It is important. It is my bag. It is my car. It is my favorite song. It is not easy. It is raining. It is sunny outside. It is time to eat. It is very late. It is very quiet. It is working. It is your turn.
Study smart, because the world understands those who speak well.